On this video today, I'm going to show step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing. This method is one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money from home as a complete beginner without investing anything. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your accounts with CPAGrip. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on monetization tools. Once you click on monetization tools, you are going to select URL/file lockers. Once you click on URL/file lockers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to log content so that we can get people to complete offers on CPAGrip for us to make money. You have to find content that a lot of people like. Find content that people will be eager to complete the offers so that they can get access to the content that you've logged. The next step is that we are going to find the URL of a useful content so that we can log it for people to complete the offers for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, pdfdrive.com. This website allows you to download any book that you want for free. You are not going to pay for anything. So once you search for any book that you want, you can download it on this website for free without paying for anything. So we are going to look for a book that is useful so that we can lock the URL of that book for our audience to complete offers on CPAGrip before they get access to the book. You can come on Google and then search for top 10 self-help books, or you can search for any books that you want. In my case, you can see I've searched for top 10 self-help books. You can see right here, these are the books that are trending right now. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here, Atomic Habits. So this is the book that I'm going to be using in this video. If you want, you can select any of them. So once you get the title of the book that you want to log, you can just come on PDF Drive. Once you're on PDF Drive, you are going to search for the book. So just type Atomic Habits. As you can see, Atomic Habits, just search for it. Once you search for it, you can see the book is available on this website. You can download it for free. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is the book. Some of these ones are fake, so you don't have to download this. So just come right here and download this one right here. You can see the book was published in 2018. You can see the year right here. So don't download the fake ones. So once you have the title of the book, just click on it so that you can get the download link. Once you click on the title of the book, you can see right here, you can just click on download and the book is going to be downloaded onto your PC. But we don't want to download it. We want to lock this particular page so that we can get people to complete offers on CPAGrip before they get this download button. So what you have to do is that you have to copy the entire URL. So just highlight everything and then copy it. Just highlight the URLs. Once you highlight and copy the URL, you are going to lock it. So just come back on CPAGrip. Once you're on CPAGrip, you are going to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to scroll down and then click right here, I agree to the terms of service. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to click right here, continue, so that you can now lock your URL. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to give a name to the URL that you want to lock. In this case, we are going to type Atomic Habits. So just type something like this, Atomic Habits. This is just a name to identify the URL that you have locked. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to select a template. So just click right here, templates. Once you select templates, you can just scroll down and select any of these templates that you are seeing. As you can see, a whole lot of different templates. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this one right here. Just click on it. Once you select the template, you are going to see a preview right here. So this is the page that your potential visitor is going to see before they can click right here, I'm not a robot. So once they click on that, they are going to see offers that they can complete before they get access to the URL that you've locked. So once you select your template, you are going to come back and then click on general. Once you click on general, you are going to scroll down right here. You can see locked URL. So you are going to paste the URL that you copied. So just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, show offers. So you are going to tell this website the number of offers that they have to show to your potential visitor. You can select 3, you can select 2, you can select any number that you want. In my case, I usually select 2. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see access time. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any time that you want. In my case, I usually select forever. So you can equally select forever, or you can select any period that you want. Once that is done, you can click right here, show offers, so that you can see the offers that your potential visitors are going to see when they click through your link. So just click on it right here. Once you click on it, you can see the offers that your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your link. You can see this offer right here, become a millionaire. The requirement is that your potential visitor has to submit their email so that they can get access to this particular offer. You can see this one right here, $1.71. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this one, $2.06. These offers are going to be shown to people in the United Kingdom. If you get people in Switzerland to click on your link, you are even going to get a higher payout. Let me just show you. As you can see, some are going to pay you $16.42. You can see $2.39. You can see 47 cents. You can see $12.31. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this one right here, $21.67. Apart from Switzerland, any part in the world that people click on your link, they are going to get offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of different countries. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on save. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, get link. So this is where you are going to click so that you can get your link. Just click on it. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link. So I'm going to test the link on a new tab for you to see. So just paste the link on a new tab and then click enter so that you can see how it is going to appear to our potential visitors. So as you can see, this is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see. So once they click right here, I'm not a robot, you can see they are going to see two offers. You can see two offers right here. So if they complete any of them, you are going to be earning money on CPAGrip. So it's just simple as that. Once you have your locked URL, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can drive a lot of traffic to this particular link so that you can get many people to complete the offers for you to make money on CPAGrip. It's just simple as that. You don't need to do anything else. The next step is that we are going to come on Facebook. Facebook is one of the platforms that you can get people who are actively online. So you are going to post your link onto this platform so that you can get people to complete the offers and you are going to be earning money on CPAGrip. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Facebook groups. I have found one of the groups that you can easily get many people to click on your link and then take the action. You can see the group right here, free ebooks download. Just search for this particular group and you are going to find it. There are many other groups that you can join. So I'm just going to use this one to demonstrate for you to see. You can see right here, free ebooks download. You can see it is a public group with 43,900 members. So you are going to get access to many people. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to write something that will get the attention of the group members for them to take the action. So just click right here, write something. Once you click on write something, you are going to write your message here. So in this case, I have my message, so I'm going to paste it for you to see. As you can see, this is my message. I'm writing to inform all of you because I think you would really enjoy the Atomic Habits book. I am giving away 10 copies of the book for free. And all you have to do is copy and paste the link below into your browser. As you can see, that is the message, and you can see right here, I've just informed them that I read the book myself and it's very helpful. So what you have to do is that you have to write a simple message like this. Once you have your message, you are going to copy and paste your link right here. So just come back on your locked URL. Once you are here, just copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to shorten it. So just come on a new tab and then search for bit.ly. Once you search for bit.ly, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to paste your link right here. Just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, click on shorten so that you can shorten your link. Once you shorten your link, click right here, copy. You are going to type a call to action right here. So you can just type something like copy and paste this link. So just something like this. Once that is done, you are going to paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you are going to click right here, post, so that you can post it to the group. As you can see, it is currently posting, so you are going to wait for it to post. You can see it is going to be posted onto the group. You can see that has been done. Your link has been posted to the group, so you are going to get people to take action for you to make money. You can see right here, the link has been posted. You can see it right here. It has not been deleted. You can see just now the link has been posted. So you are going to get people who click on it and then complete the offers for you to earn money on CPAGrip. It's just simple as that. You don't need any skills to do it. You don't need to invest any money. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.